Sun. Hala. Ang ganda. Hi guys, for today's video, unbox natin itong Platinum Home Audio Apollo. Yung model niya is PTHM 530 Portable Party Speaker. Ito yung bagong-bago ni Platinum Karaoke. Meron na siyang dalawang wireless mic. Multimedia speaker lang to guys, wala siyang built-in na songs. So ito lang yung box niya since bagong-bago pa. So i-unbox na natin itong Platinum Home Audio Apollo Pro. So let's go.
What's this?
Nakaano siya guys, double box. Excuse me. Double box siya. Oh, ito yung kanyang original box. Okay. So ang kanyang features is RGB light effect. Top panel control with connectivity, 80 watts sound power output, handle strap designed, high quality UHF wireless microphone. Rechargeable siya guys. Rechargeable 7.4 volts, 4,000 milliampere yung kanyang battery. Karaoke TWS wireless connectivity Apollo Pro. Fresh from the oven. Yung packaging niya, may Apollo Pro speaker, dalawang wireless mic, isang USB Type-C charging cable, 3.5 jack, 1 manual user. So buksan na natin guys. Yun no. Warranty card, user manual. Siyang kasama, ang cute ng mic oh. Wow. Tapos rechargeable na rin. Chargeable na. Cute ng mic. Ay. Tapos dalawa ng kanyang wireless mic. Yung mic niya is may control. Mic volume, echo, set, vocal cut. Meron na siyang DSP. Ito naman is kanyang Type-C port, USB to Type-C, 3.5 jack. So ito na guys. Medyo siya, mabigat. Ops lang. Ganda oh. Ganda. Ganda oh. Ito ang kanyang power, battery indicator, lights. Ito ay mic volume, music volume. So on natin guys. Parang sa ano lang, parang JBL. So hiram muna tayo ng cellphone. So try muna natin yung mic. Sound, hala, ang ganda. Sound, wow, wow, sobrang ganda. Wow, sound check, check, mic sound check, sound. Wow, sobrang ganda guys. Sound check, check. Oh, ang liit pero buong buo yung tunog. So try natin magpatugtog ng Bluetooth. Sound check. Ganda talaga guys, para kang gumagamit ng malaking speaker. Buong buo yung tunog. So try natin mag karaoke. So guys, pwede mong baguhin yung yung boses mo.
Sound check, check mic. Voice mode, baby.
Sound check.
Default mode.
Sound check, check.
Super echo mode.
Sound check. Check mic. Sound check. Sound check mic. Sound check, check.
Karaoke mode.
Sound check. Oh, sound check. Sound check, check.
Voice mode, female.
Sound check.
Voice mode, male.
Sound check.
Voice mode, baby. Default mode.
Sound check, check.
Super echo mode.
Sound check. na excited ako. So tingnan muna natin sa likod. Sa likod meron na siyang mic input. Meron na siyang mic input. Meron na siyang OTG in. Meron na siyang line out. Meron na siyang USB. Saka ano dito? USB. Saka SD card. Itong kanyang breather. Meron siyang breather. Tapos yung strap niya, sobrang ganda ng strap. Ganda. Sobrang ganda guys. Ang liit niya pero buong buo yung tunog. Solid. Solid na solid. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe dahil marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Shellos Channel.